Hi, I'm Jake, and on this episode of Rig Rundown, we're taking a look at the FM-400-L1, Sherwood's 3 horsepower industrial dust extractor. Now you may be looking at this thinking, why on earth would you possibly need 2 bags? Well, if you are working in more of an upscale production or industrial capacity, you will find your dust extractor filling up very quickly and being needed to change quite regularly. Now, having the dual bag means that you'll still have to empty those bags. It will just take a little bit longer for them to fill up, so it will impede you doing your work a lot less. This model features a 2250 watt 3 horsepower motor. It's 240 volts and 10 amp, so it will fit into any standard house outlet. When both bags are attached, as it obviously should be, it has a capacity of approximately 307 litres of dust, debris, whatever you want to put in there. If you have already checked out the FM400, this unit's little brother, and you're wondering whether or not to make the investment into this unit itself, essentially what you're getting in the difference is a better build, better components. You'll get another 400 cubic feet per minute of drawing power, which just makes it a much more efficient machine. It stands at 2300 CFM or cubic feet per minute, which when it comes to extractors that Sherwood offer with a 10 amp plug, this is its most powerful by far. As with the FM300-L1, you'll notice that the motor is mounted much closer to the extractor bags themselves. The location being closer means that it's just one less passage that the airflow has to travel through. It comes standard with 2 cloth filter bags, but you do have the capacity to upgrade to the pleated filter cartridges if the material that you're dressing down is ejecting very fine particles. Now again, it is a fairly powerful dust extractor, so it should be suitable for all range of machinery. If you are using it for anything such as a bandsaw or a drum sander, I would recommend that you invest in a pleated filter cartridge to make sure that it catches those fine particles. It also features a 150mm inlet, so if you did want to use this as your mains in your workshop, it is perfectly suited up for that job. Get some PVC pipe or some clear plastic pipe and set up a 150mm main. You could almost certainly run a 2-car garage workshop off of this machine alone. It's wheel mounted, so if you do need to wheel it out of the way of the garage, it's very easy to do so. If you're wondering whether or not this machine is suitable for you, I would say if you are in a 2-car garage and you want to set up a main dust extractor so you don't have 2 or even 3 floating around the workshop at all times, this might be a worthwhile investment. If you are in a commercial or even an industrial capacity and you've got, say, your panel saw that you just don't want to have to run long lines to, you could sneak this in behind it and run straight off of that, and it will be more than sufficient. And as with all Sherwood machinery, it comes back with a 5-year manufacturer's warranty as standard. And that's it for another video. So for more information, hit the links below. Make sure you share, like and subscribe the page to help us grow, and we'll see you in the next video.